Respected Lieutenant Governor Pondicherry Sri Kailash Nath ji, Chief Minister Pondicherry Sri Ranga Swami ji, Honorable Speaker Pondicherry Sri M. Balam R. Selvam ji, Honorable Minister for Public Works Sri K. Lakshmi Narayan ji, Honorable Member of Parliament Sri S. Selvagan Bajji, Ramalingan ji MLA, संयुक्त सचिव आयुष मोनालिसा दास जी, निदेशक MD NIY श्री काशीनाथ समागंडी जी, all friends of media, ladies and gentlemen, vanakkam.
Puducherry,
It is indeed a matter of great pride to address you all at this historic, beautiful coastal city of Pondicherry, the workplace of Maharishi Arvind. Pondicherry is a live example of preserving the internal values of Indian culture despite diversity. We all are assembled here to observe the countdown 25 days left for the main event of International Day of Yoga 2025. Yoga Festival is to celebrate our inalienable and internal heritage of yoga, which is possible because of our energetic Prime Minister Adarniya Sri Narendra Modi ji's tireless efforts. Our yoga has reached the entire world, now adopting our yoga for wellness. This year, we are celebrating Yoga Mahotsav with the inspiring theme chosen by our Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji, Yoga for One Earth, One Health. Friends, as we all know, yoga is not only an exercise, it is an assistant art, healthy living to interconnect body, mind and soul. Those who adopt yoga feel peace, power and clarity. In today's fast-paced world, where stress, anxiety and nervousness have become very common, yoga offers a simple and effective solution. Yoga is in important need of present and also an integral part of healthy future. This is the message we want to share with the world from this historical land of Pondicherry. Yoga is the priceless gift of our ancient Indian tradition. It is a ray of hope and well-being for the entire world. Since the United Nations recognized 21st June as the International Day of Yoga in 2014 on the initiative of our respected Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji. Crores of people from more than 170 countries across the continent have adopted yoga. And this Yoga Yatra, which was started in 2015, has been continuing without any interruption for the last 10 years. Yoga is the best model of health wellness, and it is a drug-free and a comprehensive and holistic in nature. The principle of yoga helps to surpass and develop positive health, which helps us cope the stress much better. Yoga is a free health insurance that increases our immunity to keep us healthy and happy by reducing stress. As we move toward June 21, let us pledge to make yoga a part of our daily life and inspire others to do the same. We also remember that yoga transcends the boundaries of age, gender, and background. It is a universal language of peace and harmony. By embracing yoga, we honor our own heritage and contribute to a healthier, happier, and more united world. I invite all of you to participate in these activities, spread awareness, and experience an amazing transformative power of yoga. I thank all the yoga practitioners, teachers, and organizations for their tireless effort to promote yoga in their respective communities. On this special occasion, I extended my hearty congratulations and best wishes to all the participants, yoga practitioners, and organizers present here for this grand event. Let us all together adopt yoga and move towards one earth, one health. Nandri, Vanakkam, Jai Hind.